Hello students, welcome to digital class of MRMS Varni. This is Mahinder. Now we are going to learn the process of finding the irrational numbers between the two rational numbers. Between the two rational numbers we are going to find irrational numbers. Okay, right? We have given here one note. Look at that. We have infinitely many irrational numbers between two rational numbers. Between two rational numbers we are having infinitely many irrational numbers. Okay, right? So it means, so between 3 and 4 we have infinitely many rational numbers as well as infinitely many irrational numbers. Okay, right? Now we are going to find that. Okay, and look at a second. If a and b are two positive rational numbers such that ab is not a perfect square of a rational number lying between a and b. Okay, right ma? Suppose if a and b are two positive rational numbers and such that ab is not a perfect square of any rational number lying between a and b, then root ab is a irrational number. Okay, now we are going to learn the procedure of finding irrational numbers between the two rational numbers. Okay, in the previous we have learned that finding the rational numbers between the two rational numbers. Now we are going to finding that irrational numbers between the two rational numbers ma. So given two notes here. Look at the first one. We have infinitely many irrational numbers between two rational numbers. Okay, so what is that? Between two rational numbers we are having infinitely many irrational numbers ma. Okay, in the previous we have known that what is that? Between two rational numbers we have infinitely many rational numbers. Okay, similarly we have infinitely many irrational numbers also between two rational numbers. Okay, right? Coming to second note. If a and b are two positive rational numbers such that ab is not a perfect square of any rational number, then root ab is a irrational number and it lies between a and b. Okay, suppose look at the second note. Suppose a equals to 1, b equals to 2. Okay, so ab, it means a into b, 1 into 2, 2. Okay, this 2 is a not a perfect square of any rational number ma, isn't it? Right? So that is now root ab. So the 2 is not a perfect square of any rational number. That is the reason why root ab, it means root 2 is a irrational number and this root 2 lies between this 1 and 2. Okay, 1 less than root 2 less than 2. Okay, this is the explanation of note 2. Now we shall see the two examples based on these two notes. Right, based on the notes we are going to solve this example 9. What is the question ma? Find any two irrational numbers between 1 by 5 and 2 by 7. Okay, so these two are rational numbers. The two rational numbers we can express in the form of decimals also. Okay, so 1 by 5 and 2 by 7. So look at here ma. So 1 by 5 we can write in the decimal form. Right, look at here. So division, take 0 here and point and 0 here. 5 2s are 10, remainder 0. Okay, so 1 by 5 we can write in the decimal 2.5. This is a terminating decimal. Okay, right. Next take 2 by 7. Okay, so 7 2. So already we are know that what is that ma? This is a non-terminating recurring decimal. How ma? So this 7, it means denominator not in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m form. It means this is a non-terminating repeating or recurring decimal. Okay, right. Take 0 and point and 0 here. 7 2s are 14, 6 is a remainder. Take 0, 7 8s are 56, 4 remainder and take 0, 7 5s are 35 and remainder is 5. Take 0, 7 7s are 49, 1 remainder. Take 0, 7 1s are 7, 3 is a remainder. Take 0, 7 3s are 7 4s are 28, remainder 2. 2 is remainder, it means the process will continues like that. Okay, it means we can take the bar on the top of this 285714. Okay, so the 2 by 7 representation in decimal is 0.285714. okay, bar. Okay, so what is the irrational number definition ma? The numbers which are in the form of non-terminating, non-repeating decimals, then they are called irrationals. Okay, so we can take between, so it is 0.2 it is, so we have to take between the 0.2 and 0.28 we can write many irrational numbers ma in the decimal form. Okay, right. Suppose 0.2 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 0 2 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 2 0 0 so on we can write. Okay, this 0.21, this number lies between this 0.2 and 0.28. Okay, right. Next 0.213 132 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 0 2 0 3 5 4 5 2 3 so on we can write many numbers like this. Okay, but they are not repeating, not terminating. Okay, so 0.21 4 5 6 8 9 3 2 4 1 1 1 2 2 2 3 3 3 4 4 4 we can write like this many numbers ma. Okay, this is the finding the rational irrational numbers between the two rational numbers. Okay, right. Now we shall solve one more problem. Now example 10, find an irrational number between 3 and 4. This problem depends on note 2. Okay, right. So a equals to 3, b equals to 4, isn't it? These 3 and 4 are the two rational numbers and we have to find the irrational number between these 3 and 4. Okay, right ma. So do the AB, so it means 3 into 4, it is 12. Okay, this 12 is not a perfect square of any rational number, isn't it? Then root AB, that equals to root 12, is a irrational number. Okay, irrational number, and it lies between 3 and 4. It means 3 less than 12 less than 4. Okay, this 12 we can write as 12 equals to 4 into 3. Okay, root 4 into root 3, this root 4 becomes square root cancel 2 root 3. Okay, so we can write like this also, or 3 less than 2 root 3 less than 4. Okay, root 12 we can write 2 root 3 also. Okay, right. This is the finding the irrational numbers between the two numbers. Okay, right.